All right. Hi, everybody. I wanted to do a quick demonstration to you today of how dynamic compression works in a practical way. So I'm just going to quickly pay out a few orders off this spreadsheet so that you can actually see how each order is paid to the people above them, okay? Because dynamic compression is, or unilevel is paid upwards, not downwards, even though if you look at the purple table here, it might appear like it goes down. It actually gets paid upwards, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you today. All right, so what I've done here is I've created two separate columns here. One is overall volume, paying upwards to this silver, and PV of these individuals on these levels, all right? So basically we're paying one big long leg that then obviously splits for this premier and obviously this silver, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out through this and pay out each order to the appropriate people. Okay, so we're going to start out with this person here on level 25 who has done an order, which will be, for the purpose of this, is after 60 days, all of these orders, all right? And I've done an order of 235. Okay, so these are going to get paid to the next person above them. And if we go over here to level 1, to earn a level 1 payment, you must have a OV or PV of 50, and there's no requirement for any minimum OV, and they will be paid 2%, all right? So that goes to this first person because they've got over 50 PV and there's no requirement for that, so 2%. All right, so it's 2% times this 235, all right, so $4.70. The next level 2 payment is 3%, and it goes to someone who has achieved the rank of manager, which is 100 PV order plus 500 OV. All right, so we'll find the next person that has that, and this is the person on level 20. Okay, so they get a 3% payment times that PV, so $7. All right, now if we look for the next payment, we're looking for a level 3, which is 5%, which goes to the next director. So they have to have a minimum of 100 PV order and 1,000 OV. So if we go up, that's the next person because they've met both those requirements, so they get 5%. So we'll just quickly do that. All right. Then the next payment, so we've got 1, 2, 3, so we're looking for a level 4 payment. And if we go to the graph, we pay 5% to an executive, all right? So we're going to go up until we find 2,000 OV. They place their 100-point order, so they get 5%. Okay, then we are looking for a level 5 payment. If we go to the graph, level 5 is 6%, and it gets paid to elite and above, all right? So let's find the next elite, which is right up here, and they've got the OV 3,000 above, and they've placed their 100-point qualifying order. So they get 5% of this order. And then again, level 6, so we've paid out the 5 levels. We're looking for a level 6. So it's 6%, which goes to the next premier. So if we go up the top here, we've got a premier here, and they've done their 100-point order, so they get a 6% payment. And then our level 7 is a 7% payment to a silver and above. So if we go right up here, we find our next silver, and they will earn a 7%. Okay, so there we go. We've paid out that order to all the qualifying people, and you'll see that it's skipped people where they're not ranking for those particular payments, particularly when you get to those elite and above payments. All right, so let's go ahead and pay out this next order, the level 24's order. So we're going to do that here. Now, again, level 1, we need a 50-point order. So this person on level 23 does qualify for this, all right? So they're going to earn a 2%. Excuse me. So we'll pay that out. But then when we're going for the 3%, we're looking for someone who's a manager and above, all right? So the next manager is here on level 20 again. So they'll get that 3%. All right, then the next one we're looking for is the director. So we're going to pay out a 5% to that. Okay, then we got 1, 2, 3, so we're looking for level 4, so in an executive. And again, our executive, next executive all the way up here. Okay, and so on and so forth. So again, our next elite is up here, our next premier and our next silver. So we'll pay those out as well. All right, so you'll see how ranking to these higher ranks means that you're earning deeper into that compensation plan. Okay, so we've paid out those 2 orders. All right, now we're going to pay out this next yellow one, all right, which is 88 PV. All right, so we're going to pay that out to the person above them. Well, no, we're not, because they don't meet that requirement of the 50 PV, all right? So it's going to skip straight up to this one up here. So they're going to earn the 2% on this one. Okay, and then we're looking now for the next manager, which this person meets the requirement of that. Which is 3%, I forgot to put that in. All right, so now we're looking for a level 3 payment, so we're looking for the next director, all right, which is this person here. So they're going to get 5% of this one. Okay, and then we're looking for the next executive. So again, we're going to jump up to this executive here, and they're going to get 5%. And then again, our elite and premier and silver. Oh, hold on. Sorry, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4 executive. No, that's right. Sorry, second guessing myself. So equals. Okay. So the next payment is going to get paid out. Unilevel doesn't pay out on orders below 50 because obviously 2% of 50 is not very much. So they, hence why LRP encourage us just to do 50 plus point orders. All right, so it skips over those. So we'll go to this one, and it's going to pay out to the person above. So we'll go across here, and they have met the qualifications of those 50-point order and OAV, so they get 2%. All right, and then the next one we're looking for is the 3% payment, again, 500 OV, so this person above meets that qualification. So we'll just fill in, oops, 3%. Okay. And then the next one we're looking for a level 3 payment, which is 5%, and it has to go to a director, which this person meets. All right, so 1, 2, 3. So level 4, we're looking for an executive. So again, we're going to skip all these people and go up to the executive again. And again, this just demonstrates how even at the rank of executive, you can be getting a lot of payments coming up to you that otherwise wouldn't be coming to you. Okay, and again, this would be the same. These elite, premier, and silver payments would go up to the next elite, premier, and silver above. All right, so I hope that really helps you understand how dynamic compression works. I think it's a really useful tool to actually do this or pull out your uni-level payment summaries for your monthly payment and understand where your income's coming from, because I think it does two things. I think it demonstrates to us, yes, that we can get payments from deeper than 7 levels, but it also reminds us that, we need to be very smart about our placements. So I just think, understanding this gives us a better opportunity to place our wellness advocates and our wellness customers in crucial positions in our tree so that we can be maximising this uni level. Okay, I hope that all made sense, and have a great day. See you, bye.